Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can back up a Huawei phone. So before I show you anything further, I will insert my, external storage device, that is the USB pen drive of sort, to be precise. Let me take off the phone case first so it will connect as it should. Yep. Then launch the settings, enter the system and updates, backup and restore, data backup, then select what external storage you would like to backup your data to. You can either do the memory card backup, USB storage backup, or USB pen drive. That is, my storage of choice, or back it up to shared folder. Then select your storage, tap at the backup button, select what particular data you would like to be backed up. We'll select all perhaps. Then tap at the backup button once again. Then encrypt your backup data with custom password. And there are quite a few requirements that I need to meet while creating the password. So let me quickly set it off the screen. Then hit the next button. Then you can set the password hint to help you remember it once you will actually need to input the password. Then wait for all the data to be backed up. And as you can see, the system asks that you do not leave this screen in order for everything to be properly and correctly, backed up. So as you can see, all files and data were successfully backed up, so the backup procedure is complete. Now you can hit the done button, eject your external storage if that's a physical one, if that's an SD card or the USB pen drive. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.